Okay, so you have seen the product law and the quotient law. The product law, and we're kind of using it backwards from the way it's written here, says if you have two logarithms, and if their bases match, it doesn't matter what the base is, but they must be identical, and they're added together, then you can squish them together into a single log with the logands multiplied. So a really short version of this, if you have, say, log 5 plus log 7, you can squish those together into one thing and say log 35. These have the same base. They're both base 10. So you combine the two logs and you get one log with these two numbers times together in it. The quotient law just works the opposite. It says if you have two logs with the same base and they're subtracted, then divide the logands. So quick and dirty example of that, if you had log 20 minus log 10, you could combine those into a single logarithm that had 2 in it, 20 divided by 10. So if the logs are added, multiply the logands. If the logs are subtracted, divide the logands. Using that here, we have log base 2 and log base 2. Please make sure the bases match. We will try to get you occasionally by having mismatched bases. And if you do have mismatched bases, then basically none of this stuff works. You have to have identical bases or it's a non-starter. Here, though, they do match. And so we can combine this into a single logarithm that's base 2. And we do 12 divided by 3 and we get 4. Now, we could stop there, but come on, this thing's a sitting duck. Let's finish it off. This says 2 to what power will equal 4? The answer is 2. In other words, what do I do to 2 to turn it into 4? Square it. Now they give us 3 logs. Base 6, base 6, base 6. Cool, we can combine all these. We can combine all this into a single logarithm. And this says, the product law says the ones that are added together, multiply those numbers. So we go 9 times 8. Right? These logs were added, so we multiply them. This log, the last one, was subtracted, so we divide by it. And so we get, I'm sorry, I should be saying log 6 here. Otherwise, I mean log 10, and that's wrong. 9 times 8 is 72. Divided by 2 is 36. Now, again, we can evaluate this. 6 to what power makes 36? By amazing coincidence, the answer is 2 again.